Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to use the remote control pickup on the Roborock Saros Z70. If you're interested in the Z70, the link to it will be in the video description. First things first, in our device settings right here, we're going to select the little mechanical arm, robotic arm icon on the right hand center side of the screen. It says remote control to pick up. That'll take you into this screen where you may or may not already have the remote controls accessible. If you don't, you'll see this and you'll have the bottom right hand corner button to select. And it's going to load it. A couple of pop-ups here. You can exit those out of the way. And now we can select start picking up if you want, and that's going to be in auto mode. Or you can toggle to manual. It's going to extend the arm. So the arm's extending, and now we have all of our manual controls. And then we have two tabs again, arm motion or joint motion. And then you just play around with the options that you see here. So we're gonna start moving our joint. And I don't know why, but I feel like the arrows are the opposite. We're going to keep moving it down. See if we can go one more. And then we're going to grab. And then we're going to come up. Bring it off the ground. Pretty sweet there. And then you'll get a feel for the other controls that we're pressing. You'll just need to spend a couple of minutes getting familiar with the arm motions. But we're pressing that first icon, bottom button. It's as far as we can go with that. But you have a ton of motion here. And again, we're just controlling the joints right now. So we'll take them to their logical conclusion. Now we're in the middle section, middle button, bottom. Okay, and then we'll do the right-hand side. So look at that, we can even kind of prop the arm up. So it's very strong, props the robot vacuum up, I should say. I mean, look at that control. Look at that, even tips the vacuum back under the weight of it. Tons of motion there. Again, we're in the joint section. Now we'll go to arm motion. I don't know if we can grab it again this way. Nope. Just show you the flexibility again. What it's able to do. I mean, look at that extension. Then we can bring it back. I'm still holding it down. Look at that. Amazing. Pretty wild stuff, the controls that you get with this arm. So cool that that's right at your fingertips. Pinch and open. So you got the manual section. If you go back to auto, how this one works is basically if we select start picking up, so you'd have to have your item in blue. It will identify it and pick it up. It's going to be very limited to basically your socks or slippers, things like that right now at the time of this video. I expect that to be more advanced in the future. It also may struggle on carpets, especially pattern carpets, like you'd see here, versus hard floors, at least from our experience. Much higher identification and success rate on hard floors versus patterned or even non-patterned carpets. And here's a look at that auto mode. So we're going to drive to the sock till it's in blue. I usually get about as close as we can. Just make sure that it's well within that range, and then we select Start Pickup.
Start gripping an item.
It's going to look around and recognize.
Remote viewing active.
Auto mode's nice because it configures the robotic arm exactly how it needs to be. So no guessing the controls. It's able to figure it out. I've also seen it miss the first time, realize it's missed, and try again and get it on the second attempt. Looks like it's going to get it the first time here. How cool is that, though?
Remote viewing active.
So there we go. And now it wants us to go to a different area. So just for fun, we'll just go right here. And then we can press put down, and now it's going to put it down for us all automatically. So cool. It's just amazing technology even at this state. It gets me really excited for what's ahead in the future.